You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? It's your host, Alex Gallner, coming at you with some festive vibes today. I've been reflecting on how the holidays bring such a mix of emotions, namely joy, nostalgia, and sometimes even a little stress. But the magic of this season is undeniable, right? So whether you're fully decking the halls or just trying to get through the end of the year, this episode is all about tapping into that holiday cheer. That's why today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to spark joy, gratitude, and connection for the holiday season. So open up that journal and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. Describe a favorite holiday memory that makes you smile every time you think of it. What about it was so special? Prompt number 2. Who in your life has been a source of warmth and kindness this year? Write about why you appreciate them and how they've impacted you. Prompt number 3. What small traditions, old or new, could you start this season to create meaningful moments? Prompt number 4. Write a letter to the version of you who needs a little extra cheer right now. What words of comfort or encouragement would you share? Prompt number 5. What does the spirit of the holidays mean to you? And how can you carry that feeling into the new year? All right, party people, those were your 5 prompts to bring in the holiday cheer. Hope you're feeling a little bit more connected to the magic of the season and maybe even a little bit lighter. The holidays can be a lot, but they're also such a beautiful reminder of the connections and the traditions that shape us. Now, if you want to take this even deeper, feel free to check out our app for more guided journaling with mood and energy trackers and an amazing supportive community. It's available on the Apple App Store and Google Play, or you can visit our website at journalparty.com for a web-based version. And don't forget to connect with me on Instagram at journalpartyomg or my personal handle at Alex Gallner. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave us a review. It helps spread the Journal Party vibes far and wide. Oh, and don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. It's a free live stream where we journal together as a community and share our insights at the end. It's been growing every week, and it's seriously the highlight of my week. I'm really excited about this next one, and I hope you can make it. I hope you can join us. You can tune into that through our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even directly through our app, and the links for all of those are in the show notes. So check it out. Show up. Come hang out. And thank you so much for journaling with me today. I'll leave you with one thought. Holiday cheer isn't something you find. It's something you create, even in small moments. So chew on that. And as always, party on.